Hello everyone, welcome back to SM Tech Creation YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a reverse video on iPhone using InShot. Before go to tutorial, first you have to install InShot application to your iPhone. For that, go to your App Store, then type InShot. Then download InShot video editor application. It's around 130 megabytes. This application pretty easy to edit and create some videos. After download, open the InShot application. Then click on video. Click on OK. Now you can see your video gallery. Then choose a video that you want to reverse. And click on play button. Now you can see this is my original video. Now you can see few options right here. To reverse this video, select the options. Then you can see reverse option right here. Click on that. Now you can see processing video. Now let's play. Now you can see my video reversed. Using InShot application, you can easily make reverse videos. If you want to save your reverse video, click on upload button. Then you can select your resolutions and frame rate. After that, click on save. Now you can see my video is processing. Now you can see my reverse video in camera roll. I hope this video is very useful you guys. See you next video. Thank you.